the grey wolf to insert into that. So it's just a vessel, the domestic dog, because then the domestic dog could also easier, complete the gestation period and to deliver those puppies. But that genetic wolf DNA was altered on some parts with dire wolf. And with the domestic dog and the nurture part, so you have nature, genetic code. The genetic code is more of the grey wolf, which is a wild animal. The dire wolf is also, of course, a wild animal. But the nurture side is that of the dog, because the dog raises them and also had the gestation. Up till now, Colossal has raised 435 million. And you can imagine with successes as with this dire wolf, but at least to a degree altered wolves with some dire wolf genetic code in them, they are easily gaining a lot more money. And since Colossal was only founded in 2021, so it's only 4 years old, September 2001, so 3.5 years, they did a tremendous job at getting a lot of money. And this also gives them a lot of news coverage, so it's a lot of public relations that are benefited to get additional funding rounds in. So, to summarize, it carries dire wolf genes. It's in the grey wolf genome, and these genes make it look more like a dire wolf than anything we've seen in the last 30,000 years. And that's very cool. Colossal states. The genotype is not that of the dire wolf. They state that they have resurrected the dire wolf phenotype. So the genotypes are the genomes, and the phenotypes is how they get to their expression. So for example, my genetic code might be quite a lot resembling that of my brother. But phenotyped expression, for example, perhaps I'm a little bit taller than my brother, that's something else. Also some facial features that might be different, could also have a different eye color, for example. So those three traits are more of the phenotype, the expression of the genome. I hope this sheds some light onto the matter, and wishing you a great day. Out.